Hi there guys, this is LRC38. Looks quite spooky, doesn't it, in green? This is our leather protector spray. It can be applied to all types of leathers, including fake materials like your faux, your vegan leathers and everything else. It's perfect for going on to aniline leathers as well. Just a slightly different process on an aniline compared to the standard pigmented. So with the LRC38 leather protection spray, on the top here, as you can see, just underneath, the trigger is locked for transportation purposes. Moving that to the left or right, as you can clearly see, opens the trigger and it sprays. So what you're going to do with LRC38 is you only need like a couple of coatings on there, and that can last sort of 3 to 6 months to stop all sorts of dirt, grime and stains from like jeans and spills from drinks and curry and everything else from staining and affecting your leather. You would obviously have a nice cleaned leather surface. This particular seat hasn't been cleaned, I will point that out, but you would have a nice clean leather surface and you would spray on the solution like so. If you were dealing with an aniline leather item, you would just allow that to soak in to the aniline quite naturally. With this being pigmented leather, what you would have to do is to dry it with a hairdryer. We like to have a little bit of fun with what we do at Leather Repair Company as well when we're obviously describing all our products. As you can clearly see, I don't need a hairdryer, but you would go over the surface like so. You just want to make sure that that is thoroughly dried. And then what I'm going to do, I'm not going to dry this in its entirety for you right now. I'm just going to show you, this is what you must do. You go over it and you dry the surface completely. And then you've got a protected surface to protect against all sorts of spills, drink stains, food stains, anything like that. Pen, you know, obviously ink is indelible. So we're just going to move this one onto one side, and I'm going to show you this piece of purple leather that we've got here, which this side has been protected. So if we were to draw on here, like so, you can clearly see there is pen on there. You would get faithful LRC1 leather cleaner, and you would just spray some of that onto a cloth, like so. And you would just very, very simply wipe away your ink stain from the surface of the leather, because it has been protected with the LRC38 leather protection spray.